Good morning. Got a couple Spydercos here to show. I like these. These are really nice, in my opinion. Barcodes. First one off. Brand new. First one off is going to be the black. This is like my fifth one of this. All black. Tactical pm2. Brand new. Factory edge on there. Shaving sharp. Hair popping sharp, actually. When you do get real pm2s, the pocket clip always comes up here, which I hate because I don't carry tip down. I carry tip up, which makes more sense because you have your lanyard hole right there, and that would be in your pocket if you were to carry tip down. So, Spyderco, what the hell are you thinking? Alright, so that's the pm2, all blacked out, tactical. Next is a special one, which I really like a lot. It's kind of hard to get. Next is going to be, and comes with a silicone packet there. Reason why is because M4 steel. Yeah, Blade HQ exclusive. Like last year, I believe these came out in 2016, somewhere around June or July, if I'm not mistaken. You have the M4 steel here with that jade G10, and this knife is very, very sharp. Very sharp. Like a razor. Yeah. So there's the jade pm2. And this one is just awesome in my opinion. Very, very nice knife. Very smooth. Come right out. Right back in. Very nice, very nice. And I had the pocket clip all set up for me already. So, brand new 2 pm2s in the box. Brand new here. And I like them a lot. Bolt centered perfectly. This one has the satin clip, the satin blade. And I just love that natural jade G10, which is cool. No, it does not glow in the dark. So, very smooth, very precise. pm2 is a great, great EDC knife. That's my opinion of them. So, you've seen both of them. I love these 2 paramilitary 2s. Throw them up on the collection. So there's 2 more. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed, please do. I'm Fly and I'm out of here.